Good afternoon. Today we're working on the 57 Chevy wagon. I figured I'd do a quick one here. I'm doing the bushings in the lower control arms, upper and lowers. I got the, I trust the Moog brand, so I got these off Rock Auto. And yeah, where'd they go? And now if I could find them, that would be even better. Oh, here we go. Here are the lowers. Okay, so what I'll do is I don't have the right equipment in the press to be able to push this out using a press. There are various ways of doing this, but what I'm going to do, since these bushings are done, I'm going to burn them out. I'll just warm this up, and when you warm up the metal, it will expand and make it easier for the sleeve to release. But I did one set already. I did these uppers here. See, it's got the new ones in there and it's all ready to go, and this should spin inside of there. And then what you do is you set the car at right height before you lock the end bolts down, and then when you lock them down at right height, that's where it'll sit. If you have the suspension hanging off the ground and you tighten these side bolts, it's going to stress the rubber inside of here when it comes down to right height. So always tighten all your suspension pieces and everything when the car is at right height. That's the best place for it to run. Alright, let's try this out here. I got one side done already, so let's see what happens here. Don't have to get it red hot, just warm it up. I've already seen where the bushing will pretty much slide out of it. When I first got these, this wouldn't even move. It was, everything was seized. Got a bucket of water here too to quench it when I'm done if I need to, or to quench my finger if I burn it. I'm not hitting it real hard, just slightly, that I don't dent the arm, just enough to break it loose. Of course, the one I'm showing you is going to be stubborn. So the rubber slides right out. We'll do the other side. Like I said, there are various ways of doing this. You don't have to use a torch, but this is what I feel like using today, so that's what we're doing. There we go. Pushed it right out. Here we go. There's the rubber. Now, this portion of it. range. There we go. There we go. There's the other one. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to slide this. Whew. Pull everything off here, of course. Put into it. Pretty good. Put a little anti-seize on it. Hopefully these will slide in without me having to warm this thing up again. Luckily I have some giant sockets. It'll fit right over onto that flange sticking off the end there. Right on there. I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you this was fun, because it was not. But they're in there. Whew. Oh, it's in there. So then it turns by hand, so it's not stuck. So it's not binding. That's good. So that bottom one is done. Ay, ay, ay. Even the lower one, well, the lower one that I had, here it is. See how these are all at an angle? These mounts, but they're exactly the same. So either side, either way that I put this, these would fit. So I made sure that I didn't put them in backwards, because that would be horrible. Just trying to get these out without damaging them, even brand new, is kind of tough. That's kind of what I wanted to accomplish for tonight. If I can do a little bit every day, get a lot more done that way than a whole weekend free. And then I'll wash this area down, make sure nothing catches fire, of course. Just hit it real quick with the hose. And well, I guess that's it. I got all my control arms done here, and that's it for today. So appreciate everybody watching. Please subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get notifications every time I upload something. This one's a kind of short and sweet video. Hopefully that'll help you guys out if you want to do these bushings, because these are bushings you usually get overlooked because they're such a kind of a pain to have to deal with. I was kind of contemplating it, but I was like, you know, nobody ever wants to replace these. I got the front end apart. I might as well just rebuild the front end rather than try to shortcut any of this. Because even the guy after the guy that owns it, way on down the road, you know, they'll appreciate it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.